Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tal, or if you're new here, welcome. Wait, that's not my intro. I kind of forget how to do my intro. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, my name is Tal, and this is Andre. Anyways, today's video is a little bit of a different one since like recently I've just been doing like vlogs and like, I don't know, like vloggy style videos. But today I am doing a also
You're okay.
Don't mind my chipped tooth. I bit into a bagel yesterday and my tooth chipped and I'm getting it fixed at the end of May. So, very excited for that. And it looks like I'm a hockey player kind of.
Mm-hmm. Can't even shoot a puck.
I can shoot a puck.
Above a foot high? No.
Yes. Anyways, today is going to be a painting video, painting craft video, because Andre revealed to me that he really likes just like random painting. So we're gonna do that today. What we need to do is pick out a picture for one another to paint, and then we'll like do a contest, and you guys can decide who the winner who the winner is in the comments, because like that would be fun. All right, well, where's my phone so I can pick a picture?
I already picked a picture for you. Gotta be a fun one though.
A fun
but not too hard. We want to try like mine's not hard for you.
Okay.
This is mine for her. The flamingo having ice cream.
Oh yeah, you just showed me that. I love how when I go onto Pinterest, like I think there would be some sort of cool picture, but what really comes on is no bake Oreo protein balls.
That sounds good.
Should I do like...
This is for me.
Yeah. You're not supposed to see. Do you think we should do this?
I can totally see it.
I'm trying to hide the viewfinder.
I give you an easy one. Oh, you want to play like this? Okay.
Yes!
I give you hard.
Okay, but like not like the Mona Lisa or something. Like I'm not gonna be Vincent Van Gogh out here. So
that's
I have...
hard.
Well, would you like me to pick like easy?
Let's start off easy.
Okay.
We can do like 2 or 3.
Easy.
Thank you, because I can give then you an easy one to start off. If you give me a ball, that'd be good. I know how to do
a ball? That's it? Ooh, this. That's what I want. Okay, while Andre picks, I'm gonna get all the paint supplies out.
Just don't fling paint at me.
I won't. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, I'm excited. And this is the one that I picked for, that's the one I picked for Andre. Do you think that's a lot easier?
Yes.
A lot more manageable?
Yes.
And then this is what I'm doing. We've picked out our pictures now. I'm going to get into my painting cloak. Painting uniform on. Oh
my gosh.
Yeah, it was like our painting stuff from when we were little.
What in the world? Let's do that.
Okay, here are all the paintbrushes.
I'm telling you, it makes some weird meows.
I know, it really does.
Want help?
Yes. Thank you.
Oh. Thank you, Bobo.
I know, I picked a very easy one for you.
I picked an easy one for you.
Well...
Would you like me to pick another one for you?
No, it's okay. Yeah, you did pick an easy one for me. I was just being annoying. Mmm. It's like watery.
What is happening over there? Look how clean mine is and then yours.
Okay, well this is gonna have to do. Yours is looking really good though. I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
We finished. So this is mine, and then this is Andre's. And in the comments, so this is the first round, but in the comments you have to say who won the first round. So
I can see you pointing at it.
but this is our first round, and now we're gonna go on to our second round paintings. We're gonna pick out the pictures for each other, and then we will show you what we pick out. Okay, so now this round, I like that. That's cool. You have to pick something a little bit different though. No trees this time for me, because you can't do a repeat.
You gotta paint this guy painting. I'm really good at painting the page 1 color. That's cool. Holy cow. What the heck? Okay. Oh, I got a good one.
I should probably move these. OMG!
You're gonna have to hold it.
I love it. Okay, this is round 2. Andre doesn't like his. I think it's really cute. And this is Doozle.
Oh, don't touch it.
Ooh. Yeah, this is Doozle, and then this is the Joker reincarnated as an animal, apparently. So, vote which one you like better.
I'm getting more votes.
This one.
I'm 2 votes ahead of you.
Or this one. All right, we are on the third and final picture. Okay, I just picked the third and final picture for Andre, just in case, like, you know, it's a tie or whatever. This
Oh, the first one
is his picture. He is still picking out mine.
It has to be something equivalent to this. I don't know if this is hard enough like this.
What? Gosh. Well, apparently now I gotta draw a fox or paint a, oh geez, paint a fox. Round 3 begins.
Yeah.